How to withdraw money from Trust Wallet. So let's say you had money on Bitcoin. You cannot just transfer this Bitcoin into money into your bank. Trust Wallet is a place to store your crypto. You can sell Bitcoin into USDT and transfer that USDT into Binance and sell USDT from there into money, but you cannot directly do it from Trust Wallet. So let me show you what that means. So let's say I wanted to transfer my Bitcoin into my bank account. So first I need to transfer this into real money. What I need to do is click on BTC, click on the option send, and send this Bitcoin into a place where I can turn it into USDT. So let's say for an example, Binance, I can enter my Binance Bitcoin address over here and enter the amount of Bitcoin I want to transfer over here. Click on next, enter my transition code, send this Bitcoin into my Binance account. From my Binance account, I can convert that Bitcoin into USDT and then sell that USDT to somebody who needs it. And then that person is going to give me or transfer me the equivalent amount of money for that USDT I give him into my bank account. That's how selling crypto works. So you cannot directly sell it from Trust Wallet. All right, hope you understand. Subscribe to our channel. And you might think this sell allows you to sell it, but no, if I click on sell, I can just sell my Bitcoin into USDT, but that doesn't mean it's going to be into my bank account. So just keep that in mind.